Hola! I remember the days my mom would make my siblings and I some arroz con leche. And to me, that's the definition of comfort food. Because I love it so much, I'm going to show you the way my mom does. So let's get started. For my mom's version of arroz con leche, you'll need 4 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, 1 can of la lechera, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cinnamon stick. First, you're going to boil the water with the cinnamon stick. After the water boils, add the rice and let that cook. Finally, add the milk, la lechera, vanilla, and sugar to the rice and let that boil. I like eating mine with some cinnamon, but that's not required. I'm very interested in knowing what you think about this recipe, so please leave me a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.